Hi, my friend Ronnie K here. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to talk to you more about these companies that will pay you to be a customer, and they will pay you a bonus when you bring them more customers. It's a real thing, and frankly, I believe it is a new part-time gig. And the reason why is it's not apples to apples, because when we go part-time, those of us who are working full-time, you get paid by the hour or, some type of salary. It's set, and then you work those amount of hours and you get that. This is a little different. This is along the line of sales or per person. However many people you refer, that's how much you'll get paid per person. So it's a little bit of a switch. However, it is much more, how shall I say, beneficial for you to incorporate this into your daily activities or treat this as a part-time job. And the reason why is the part-time jobs, they're just right now, $15, $16, $17 an hour. You're not ungrateful, but you've been working in your job 25, 30 years, you've built up a pretty good salary there. And yes, even though you need to make extra money to pay off debt or whatever it is that you need the extra money for, and you're not able to use, the money that you're getting paid, it's tied up into other things. I totally understand, not trying to get in your business. The bottom line is you need to make extra money, right? Well, the reason why I am advocating that you look at these referral programs and these affiliate programs is because you can get paid. So today, about 5 days ago, I had told another person about the bank where you create a free account, you add $50, and they will add a $75, they'll add $25 deposit. And then when you refer other people, you can get $75 per person. So this person had to wait 5 days for them to, they added their $50, but for whatever reason, they had to wait 5 days, and they received their $25 today, and I received $75. Okay. And so this is my second referral. The first one was $100. Because they were running an extra promotion, but now they went back to their regular promotion, which is $75 per person deposit. So I got a $75 deposit in my checking account. So it is a paradigm shift. It's a different way of thinking, but you can use this as your part-time gig. So if you make a goal, I want to tell, 5 people this week. Or when I tell 5 people and they take advantage of it, I'll get 5 times 75, right? So you really can turn this into a part-time gig. Also, along with the course that I am encouraging you to look at, there are other courses out there. By any means, get any of the ones that you need to get. I can only tell you about it, right? But the course, this one particular course that I'm telling you about, it will show you how to do what's called faceless marketing. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to show anything. Shows you how to get on Instagram, shows you how to create things with Canva, shows you how to do digital marketing. It's for beginners. Well, when you purchase that course, you learn all these different things. Also, when you resell that course, you get $347. That's what you earn. So that's another way. If you help 5 people get this course, that's $347 times 5. And so what you do, you treat this as a part-time gig. You will end up making more than that $15 or $17 per hour. Okay. Here's the last thing that I want to point out. You can go to work for 20 hours a week. Okay. And get paid that $17 per hour. And you can work a part-time job and do this too. You see how my voice changed? You could do it all. Okay. So let's say you're working that part-time job. You're making $17 an hour. Great. You can also post a video of yourself or not of yourself, faceless, a voiceover, whatever, Instagram post, a Facebook post. You can write an article. There's a lot of different things you could do that you learn in this course. However, you can post, yes, let's say a video, and that video is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So after some time, people will have watched that video 20 hours. People will have read that article over and over. People will have saw your Facebook post, your Instagram post over and over. So you have content, you have information that's working for you on a daily basis, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while you're working, while you're looking for a job. That's powerful. So like I just left this graduation ceremony, yes, and I went to Whole Foods to get one of my favorite drinks and checked my account, and I got a $75 deposit. Not too bad. While I'm working. So now I'm going back to work, and I suspect that I'll have a couple more of those $75 deposits coming in this week. Yes? Yes. All right. So get more information. Check the links that I have in the video description, and many blessings.